In today's video, I'll teach you how to enable two-factor authentication on PayPal. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in paypal.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of PayPal. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to enable the two-factor authentication and add extra layer of security to your account, what you have to do is go to settings. For that, click on the gear icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to your settings interface. You can see various options over here. Click on this option security that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the security interface of PayPal. You'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for two-step verification at third. So what you have to do is click on this option setup that you can see right over here on that option. Now you'll be able to set up the two-step verification. You can see various methods of setting it up over here. You can use an authenticator app or you can also use a security key device. Simply click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to click on this option, use an authenticator app. Make sure you've downloaded the Authenticator application on your mobile device. Now you can see over here, you have to scan this QR code by using your Authenticator app. So open the Authenticator application on your device and tap on the plus icon and tap on the option Scan a QR code. After you do that, simply scan this QR code. Now once you scan this QR code, 6-digit code will appear on your Authenticator app. So what you have to do is enter that code over here. Now click on the confirm option. Now you can see over here the two-step verification has been successfully added to your account. So like this you'll be able to do it. So that is how you enable two-factor authentication on PayPal. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.